Looking for the best wash towers in 2025? Choosing the right one can feel overwhelming with so many options out there, but don't worry. We've narrowed it down to 3 amazing LG models. These units are packed with powerful features, perfect for anyone from busy families to singles living in tight spaces. Stay tuned as we dive deep into these models and explore how each one can make your laundry experience easier, faster, and more efficient. Let's start with the LG WKEX 200HBA, a true powerhouse. This wash tower features a spacious 5.2 cubic feet washer and 9.0 cubic feet dryer. This large capacity makes it ideal for families or anyone who frequently washes bulky items like comforters, towels, and kids' clothes. Imagine this. After a long day of work, you're dealing with a massive pile of laundry from the whole family. Kids' clothes, sports uniforms, and bedding. It can handle it all in one go. Thanks to Turbo Wash 360, this unit provides a deep, efficient clean in less time, cutting your laundry time by up to 30%. That means less waiting around. And if you're someone who suffers from allergies or has sensitive skin, you'll appreciate the steam sanitary feature. It sanitizes your laundry by using steam to remove allergens, bacteria, and even odors. So if you're constantly battling with allergens, or if you've got a little one with sensitive skin, this feature is a lifesaver. Real-life benefit. Picture a busy mom with kids who are always running around in outdoor play clothes. With Steam Sanitary, it's no longer a hassle to ensure their clothes are not just clean but sanitized. This model makes laundry day easier for the whole family, saving you time and energy. Next up is the LG WKE100HVA. Now, this one's perfect for those who need a compact yet powerful washer and dryer combo. With a 5.0 cubic feet washer and 7.4 cubic feet dryer, the WKE100HVA is great for smaller households or apartments. But don't let its size fool you. It's still packed with amazing features. The Turbo Wash 360 technology ensures your clothes are thoroughly cleaned without extending the wash time, which is perfect when you're pressed for time. One of the standout features is the AI fabric sensor, which automatically detects fabric types and adjusts the wash cycle accordingly. This means your delicate fabrics get just the right care without overwashing or damaging them. Imagine you've got a delicate silk blouse you need to clean. Instead of manually adjusting settings, the AI fabric sensor does all the work for you, ensuring the fabric stays safe while still getting clean. For someone living in an apartment where space is precious and you can't afford to sacrifice performance, the WKE100HVA provides the balance you need. It's perfect for smaller spaces, yet it doesn't compromise on washing quality or efficiency. Finally, let's talk about the LG WKEX 200HWA. This model takes everything we love about the and adds even more convenience with its AI-powered smart diagnosis. This feature allows you to diagnose any issues using your smartphone, making troubleshooting a breeze. For instance, if something goes wrong while you're doing laundry, you can quickly figure out if it's a simple fix or if a professional is needed, all from your phone. Like the WKEX 200HBA, this model has a spacious 5.2 cubic feet washer and 9.0 cubic feet dryer, making it perfect for larger families or heavy laundry loads. The Turbo Wash 360 technology and steam sanitary features are also included, ensuring a deep clean and sanitized laundry. But the real kicker here is how the smart diagnosis feature gives you peace of mind. Imagine a busy professional who doesn't have time to troubleshoot a washing machine. Instead of calling a repair person and waiting for an appointment, the smart diagnosis feature lets you figure out the problem instantly, saving you time and possibly money. Want a smart and high-capacity washer-dryer? Check out the LG WKEX 200HWA now via the link below. So, if you need a spacious unit with top-tier performance, the WKEX200HBA or WKEX200HWA are your best choices. However, if space is an issue but you still need great features, the WKE100HVA is the one to go for. Don't forget to check out the detailed reviews linked in the description. And make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest appliance reviews.